There are no bucking broncos, lariats, or angry bulls, but that didn't stop the flight crews of Air Station Astoria, Oregon from coming out for the 3rd annual H-60 Rodeo June 17th.
Rodeo's a morale, team building, training event that we put together annually. It's a good day for the crews, and we also get to practice our skills that we use daily. Our first event, we had what we called obstacle course. There was 4 cement blocks set up to form a box with a steel ball. The goal was to pick up the steel ball from one box and moving it to the other box in the shortest amount of time.
Flight crews also relied on their teamwork to maneuver a hanging trail line into a barrel and drop 6 eggs into the same barrel from 100 feet up.
It's a chance for us to build camaraderie, have a enjoyable day, kind of take a break, yet still practice the skills that we use day to day to prosecute SAR missions or ATON missions or LE missions.